the 2008 Toyota Camry Hybrid. With fewer than 50,000 miles, this four-door sedan prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include remote keyless entry, a split folding rear seat, tilt and telescoping steering wheel, power door mirrors, power windows, an overhead console, and air conditioning. Toyota ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, knee airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Rely on side curtain airbags during rollover collisions to protect both you and your passengers. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment at our dealership.